Welcome to the Larry Under Pressure cooking channel on YouTube. Today we're firing up the Ninja dual drawer air fryer to make something simple, quick, and oh so delicious. Crispy golden garlic toast. Whether you're pairing it with pasta or just craving a buttery bite, this air fryer version is fast, foolproof, and full of flavor. Let's dive in.
Yep, you got it. We're fixing delicious air fryer garlic toast. There are 2 or 3 reasons that fixing it yourself is preferable to buying it at the grocery store and just heating it up or just toasting it. Number 1, you can put the amount of ingredients you want. A lot of times the ones you buy are so heavy with garlic that they're just almost not edible. Other times they don't have enough. Sometimes they have cheese, it's too heavy, and there are all kinds of different things. By doing it this way, you can make it exactly the way you want it, and it's a whole lot less expensive than buying it already made. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with butter that's softened so it'll mix up, and we're using 1 tablespoon of softened butter for every piece of toast that we're making. To that, we're going to add some granulated garlic, well, not granulated, but some garlic from a jar that's already chopped up, and I'm using about a teaspoonful per piece of bread. And the last thing I'm adding is about a teaspoon and a half altogether of dried parsley flakes. Now, there are several things you can add. The parsley is real good and I like it a lot. That's one of my favorite herbs. But you can use Italian seasoning or any number of things that you might want to put in to enhance the flavors. It just all depends on your taste. And there again, that's the good thing about doing this yourself at home rather than buying it already mixed up at the grocery store. So let's get this good and mixed. It's sticking to the spoon, which you would expect it would. And we're going to get that all good and mixed up, and then we're going to spread it on the bread. And what I'm using is Texas toast, but you can use regular bread if you want to, or even rolls that you split in half or whole, however you want. Again, the good thing about doing this yourself and doing it at home is they're really delicious and especially fresh, but also that you can tailor it to your own. Let's get started with the bread. I'm always at odds as to whether it's better to spread it on the bread with the spoon that I mixed it up with or a knife. But I decided we're going to use a knife on this go-around, and it looks like it's working real well. You need to make sure that you get it completely spread from crust to get even cooking in the air fryer. And it looks like I've done that. You can see the parsley and you can see the little pieces of garlic in that. Let's move that one over and get started on the next one. These are going to be so good. I always enjoy this recipe. It's real good with Italian food, such as spaghetti and pasta and that kind of thing. It's also real good with just about any kind of meat because you can tailor the amount of garlic and spices you have in it to kind of suit the dish. And some dishes, like some kinds of beef that you're cooking that you want to fix this with, you may not want much or any garlic in it. You might just want it with the butter on it. But again, that's up to you, and that's the nice thing about fixing this yourself. All right, it looks like we've got that all nice and spread on both pieces. And I have the air fryer preheated, and it's preheated to 390 degrees. So we'll go to the air fryer and put these in and begin cooking them. This Ninja dual drawer air fryer is preheated and ready to go. So we're going to turn it off by pressing the button and pause it. And we're going to go ahead and drop these pieces of bread in. Each basket will easily hold 2. So with the 2 baskets, you can cook easily 4 at the same time and then just churn them out. It only takes 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to set the time to 3 minutes, restart, and then we'll check it at about 2 minutes and see where we stand. I had this set on 3 minutes, on 3 minutes, and when it came to the 3-minute mark, it wasn't quite done. So I added 1 more minute, and it's cooked for almost 4 minutes. And let's take a look and see where we are. And it looks like it's done perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out of here and put it on the plate, and we'll let it cool for just a minute. Look how nice. It's nice and crispy on the top. The smell is unbelievable, in a good way, with that nice garlic on there. We'll let them sit for just a minute and rest, and then we'll take a taste and wrap this video up. Those have been sitting there for a couple minutes cooling. Let's take a quick taste of this one and see what they taste like. Nice and soft in the middle, buttery and garlicky, with also the parsley on top. They're just delicious. Better than anything you can buy at the grocery store. I suggest you try these and see what you think. Truth is, this is the quickest video I think I've ever made on the channel, but I just wanted to make these and show you how quick and how simple it is to make something so good that'll add to your dinner that you're fixing. So try them and see what you think. Let us know what your results are, which I can tell you now they're going to be real good. And we'll see you on the next video.
And there you have it. Perfectly crispy, buttery garlic toast straight from a Ninja dual drawer air fryer. Thanks for hanging out with us in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Larry Under Pressure, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick and tasty idea. See you next time.